Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 8th, and this is my recap of the top 8 videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, anyways, gold did make a pretty good push up today. We are sitting right at the 78%. It does resemble a little bit of a three-way pattern too, and we definitely have been making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs so far. So this 78% is a very crucial area. If we get a big bearish engulfing move to the downside, I for sure would take it for a short. The reason why I say it is a crucial area because if it does actually start to go up and close above the 78%, then that's probably a pretty good sign that it will keep on going up and probably take out this previous high over here, and that this really is a wave C, like I was explaining during my live stream and I believe during my morning video on gold. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.